Hi, I'm Jonathan, product engineer with LexisNexis. I've been working with law firms for the past 10 years, and when I talk to attorneys, one of the things that they have a lot of trouble with is keeping track of what they do throughout their day. Most of them pretty much feel like they're missing out on billable time, which simply means they're not getting paid. So what can you do about it? Developing some good habits is part of it, but having access to tools that makes it easy to capture time is another very important piece.
There are a couple direct time entry options, such as a timesheet that can be used to enter time in for yourself or someone else. There is a billing slip view, which looks like this. So there's a means to capture time via the Time Matters mobility service, which is web-based. There's also a means to capture time via Outlook using the Time Matters for Microsoft Outlook add-in. There's also a couple indirect options. So for example, you can come into the calendar, click on an appointment, and create a time entry from that. Or you can come in and select maybe a collection of phone calls on a particular case and create time entries from that. You can also use a tool called the Time Entry Advisor, which allows you to come in and view a list of any or all the things that have been entered in the system that can be billed but haven't been billed, and build them.
So no matter how or where you work, Time Matters has tools to make it easy to make sure that you're getting paid for the things that you do.